do appreciate, I'm a staff attorney for the ACLU Arkansas, and we do appreciate efforts to address addiction and recovery in Arkansas, but our resources are thin. Folks who are addicted don't have the services that they need now. Our concerns about this bill are not only that it would insult Arkansans, but that it would violate their constitutional rights to privacy and to be free from an unreasonable search. Regardless of the method of collection, whether it be oral or urine sample, a drug test is a collection of a specimen from Arkansans' bodies, and that is a search within the meaning of the Fourth Amendment. And the law on drug testing is there must be reasonable suspicion of the particular person to be tested, as well as a substantial governmental need before that drug test can be constitutional. Arkansas's Constitution affords even greater rights to privacy under both its corresponding Fourth Amendment and its general right to privacy laws than does our federal Constitution. So we have that enhanced concern here in the state of Arkansas about the constitutionality of drug testing. I have spoken with Senator Pritchard, and he is aware of a Michigan case where the state of Michigan conditioned receipt of all benefits, welfare benefits, unemployment benefits, and the like on a person's ability to pass a drug screen. That was struck down as unconstitutional in the federal court system, and we feel certain that it would violate the Constitution as written. In short, if under the reasoning here that we want to catch this 5%, whatever percent it is, of Arkansans that are using illegal drugs, and we want to tie that to unemployment benefits, that same reasoning could easily be applied to receipt of a business license or a driver's license or any other government
Let me ask you to keep your comments on this particular bill, though, if you don't mind.
Yes, sir. My point being that just because it seems like a good idea doesn't mean that it's necessarily constitutional, and so we oppose the bill on that basis, and we ask you all to vote no on 157.
Well, of course. I mean, I've worked very hard on this, and I changed the bill. Sometimes when you try to satisfy everybody, you satisfy nobody, and that may be what happened here. Keep changing the law to satisfy the Department of Labor, everyone that had problems with the bill, and as you heard the testimony, one of my co-sponsors actually got off the bill, so I tried to answer everybody's concerns with the bill, and apparently I didn't do a good enough job of answering their concerns.
Somebody brought up constitutionality. Do you think that's a...
No, that's a paper tiger. As Senator Malone has said several times, just on the floor recently, every bill we run down here, somebody says this is constitutional. So that was a paper tiger, and the Michigan law they cited had nothing to do with this law. It is constitutional, or I believe it's constitutional, and I guess that's when, of course, if you pass a law and someone challenges it, then that's why we got the courts to determine whether it's constitutional.
Trying to get it all in any other capacity? Or
well, it's awful late in the session. I will check and find out. I think you get two shots down here with a bill that fails. So I will check with the people that I thought were going to vote for it, and also the people who are not here today, and see if I have the votes. If I do, I'll bring it back this afternoon. If I don't, it's late in the session. I'll probably just have to face the fact that I just didn't do a good enough job of explaining what this would do and how important it was for the people.